we gutted it. It's empty, almost empty, and yeah, it's amazing. 5 hours, you can erase 7 months of work. So fun. No, it's good.
Very first thing we've run into, and the very first thing we've tried to do is remove the middle box of our bed that we built, and we can't figure out how to get it out. This is it.
It's built real strong.
It's pretty strong. It's not budging. Yep. When in doubt, extend it out. So gross underneath.
Huh?
It's so gross in here.
Yeah. Dirty, dirty. Bed is out. So much space for activities.
Smell it. I don't think there's supposed to be rocks in the mallet.
There we go. Now you're making progress. It's still screwed in. You missed a screw?
I missed one screw.
So simple.
Progress has been made.
It's held up.
Everything looks great.
Still works.
And all the wood removed. A lot of wood.
Day 1. This is how many screws we took out. Look at all these pocket hole screws. So many to get to this. Our van destroyed. So one of the things we hated about our first van was that we slept that way and we had to go to bed every day. And so we're making a side-to-side bed. We'll give it a go. So that's today's project.